Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Ano po? So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And pwede ka rin naman magpa-palm reading sa akin. Kung mag-avail ka dun sa aking TikTok shop ng mga bracelets, na makikita nyo na lang po yun. Search nyo na lang, Unicorn Princess. Pero, okay, so let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Virgo. By the way, pakita ko lang na makaka-avail din pala kayo doon ng wallet Lucky Charm. So, check mo na lang. Marami po ang umu-order, so nagkakaubusan. So, hopefully makaabot ka sa stock namin. Yan, pampaswerte po yan. Mga kristal, piling-piling kristal. And, yeah. Let's start. Anyway, this is for Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Ayan, puro major arcana agad, 'di ba? Strength card, the Death card, and the Wheel of Fortune. Ayan. So, inayos ko lang yung aking ilaw. Ayan. So, sa nakikita ko dito, you're working hard. You're working hard. Nakita naman natin, you are a workaholic person. No? Kung hindi ka man workaholic, pero at least man lang yung work na ginagawa mo, hindi katulad ng ginagawa ng iba. Kumbaga yung iba pa easy-easy lang. Maybe ikaw, hindi ka na kukontento sa ganyan-ganyan lang. Parang gusto mo, may ginagawa ka, you know, you want to be busy, you want to make money, etc. Maybe you do have time for you know, yung pagiging masaya or ini-enjoy mo rin naman ang buhay mo, pero more on work ang ginagawa mo dito. And nakikita natin na whatever you're doing right now, magbibigay ng big change ito sa'yo. Yeah, especially nagkaroon tayo ng pagbabago ng taon, New Year 2024. So nakikita natin na whatever ended in the past, in the year 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, etc. Lahat ng mga natapos ng mga na bagay na may kinalaman sa money, career, nakikita natin na mas maganda yung magiging kalalabasan ng 2024 for you. With the strength card, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, mas napapagtibay, lalo na pagdating sa career. You are a career-oriented person, and nakikita natin na makukuha mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Napakadali, no? Na I can see a lot of offers na hindi, alam mo yun, parang pinangarap mo lang noon. Pero nakikita natin, unti-unti mong makakamit ito ngayon. So, maybe in the past, pinangarap mo na makatravel, makapagbakasyon, makapunta sa lugar na ganito, ganyan. And I can see na possible high chance na makamit mo ito. Especially kung yun yung energy mo, kung nakuha ko yung energy mo. But if you are someone na jobless, tapos gusto mo na magpahinga, wag mo nang mag-work, etc., this is not your reading, because yung energy dito na nakukuha natin is someone na nagfo-focus sa career. Ayan, talaga namang magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago pagdating sa career niya. Wait lang. Ibang phone kasi yung gamit ko ngayon, so parang nahihirapan akong gamitin siya. So, hindi ko alam kung paano lock yung exposure. Ayan, I think nakalock na yung exposure para mas makita mo yung cards, ano. So, I can see this past person. There's this past person. Or maybe, kung hindi man past person, could be a new person, but there's this younger energy with the Page of Cups. Itong person na ito, ayan, nakita natin siya as a past person because of the Six of Cups. May nakikita tayong pinapangarap siya. Gusto siyang i-offer sa'yo this year. And might be, hindi pa nangyayari yun. Wala pa yung kagustuhan niyang i-offer ito. Pero time will come na magugustuhan niyang i-offer itong bagay nito. And I feel like this is coming from the Emperor. Yeah, Aries energy. So this person is really hindi nagpapakita ng intentions or whatever eh. So I can see this person waiting with the Hanged Man. And so really waiting, no? Na parang wait lang, ayusin ko muna sarili ko, ha? Parang ganun. Hindi ko may bigay pa sa iyo tong offer na to, but once na I think I'm ready, soon enough, ay mabilisan niyang i-offer kung ano man itong matagal niya nang gustong i-offer sa iyo. Yan, I can see a reconciliation if this is a past person, a reconciliation sa inyo nitong person na ito. And you are not actually aware of it, or you're not really focused dito sa reconciliation. Maybe in the past, ikaw yung mas nagbibigay ng effort, ikaw yung mas gusto magbigay ng time dito sa reconciliation nito, or gusto, manifest mo siya, pinagdadasal mo pa siya in the past. But now, nakita natin yung energy na ikaw yung wala ka nang masyadong pakialam muna at nagfo-focus ka sa the Empress, which is this is you loving yourself, loving your the people around you, loving whatever you have right now, family, etc. The Ten of Cups is here. I can see a lot of changes then pagdating sa usaping pamilya. Nakakita tayo ng happiness, a lot of love na maipapakita this year sa bawat isa. Yeah, this past person is really coming back. The Hermit. Could be dealing with another Virgo. I can see Libra. Ayan. Gemini, Aquarius. The Magician. Tatlong major arcana sa naman. This person is really, I can see a lot of movement. With the Magician, maaaring magsimula ito sa movement na parang hindi mo masyadong maintindihan kung ano bang intention, ano bang gusto mangyari nitong taong to. Maybe kasi hindi siya nagiging fully open with the Hermit. Hindi siya masyadong nagiging open, but this person with the Star is magpapapansin siya. I can see some people na pwedeng tumulong or kasama sa pagpapapansin, pagpapakitang gilas nitong taong ito sa'yo. I feel like it has something to do with love. This person's really guilty sa kanyang emotions. So, nakikita natin with the Knight of Swords, I can see possible na paggawa ng action, pag-move, a lot of movement coming from this person. Yan. And, yeah. Page of Swords. Ayan, this is another movement card. And with the Temperance, nandun yung paghihintay pa rin. I don't know why this person is waiting, or whatever this person is waiting for. Pero nakakita tayo ng naghihintay siya pero may movement na siya. Alam mo yan. And with the Queen of Wands, I can see this person will act as a friend, as an advisor, as a coach. Ganun yan, nakikita natin. Maaaring umarte or umakto siya at first na parang ang intention niya is matulungan ka, mabigyan ka ng advice. But this person is doing this na pwedeng yun na yung pinaka nagiging movement niya para magkaroon ng new beginnings sa inyong dalawa with the Ace of Swords. What will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for the sign of Virgo. Six of Pentacles is here. I can see possible na pagtutulungan, pagtulong. You are being professional in the near future with the King of Swords. I feel like kaya binibigay sa'yo etong success, it is because masyadong matulungin. Minsan hindi mo na iniisip masyado yung sarili mo. You're thinking about other people. Paano makatulong sa kanila. Maybe iniisip mo yung sarili mo in a way na yung mga luho mo, yung mga gusto mo, na binibigay mo sa sarili mo yan because you feel like you deserve it. Pero hindi pa rin nawawala sa iyo yung pagtulong. Minsan kahit walang-wala ka, tutulong ka kahit kapiraso, at least nakatulong ka. And nakikita natin na ibinabalik sa iyo kung ano man itong mga bagay na itinulong mo. Hindi man ganun karami, pero yun na yung kaya mo. Yun yung nakikita natin eh. Meron kang itinutulong na hindi man ganun karami. Iisipin mo na parang maliit na bagay. Pero yun yung kaya mo, yun yung best mo, yun yung kaya mong ibigay. So, nakikita natin yung pagtulong mula sa'yo na bumabalik naman via blessings, pabalik sa'yo. And napakaganda nito actually. I can see something here na may kinalaman sa separation or like maybe a person na may pagkakalayo sa inyo with the Ten of Swords and the Chariot. I can see here with the World na someone here is going to settle na malapit sa'yo. Like maybe a person na malayo sa'yo pero soon enough magsasettle siya or mag-work siya or magiging mas stable siya ng mas malapit na sa'yo. So maybe before there's this distance between the two of you. But soon enough matatapos na ito with the Four of Wands. Kasi I feel like meron siya mga aalisan and I feel like this person is looking forward sa new beginning. Wala na siyang pakialam dun sa mga aalisan niya eh. Kung aalis man siya, aalis siya nang wala na siyang pakialam. And it is because gusto niya i-work out naman yung sarili niya. Gusto niya namang mag-focus sa future niya. And this person is going to take the risk here with the Fool kasi gusto niya maging masaya. And maybe kung nasaan man siya, yung lugar kung nasaan man siya, hindi siya ganon kasatisfied, hindi siya ganon kasaya. So, ayun lamang po. Thank you for watching. Hopefully ay nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.